Collision Theory and Catalysts. By Sir George. Physical Science 2023. Chemical reactions. A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances are transformed into different substances. Reactants are the original substances, while products are the resulting substances. Chemical reactions occur due to the rearrangement of atoms. Chemical equations, representing chemical reactions. Chemical equations use symbols and formulas to show what happens during a reaction. A balanced chemical equation shows that the total amount of products is equal to the total amount of reactants. Evidences of chemical reactions, how to spot them. Formation of bubbles, cloudiness, change in temperature, and change in color are evidences of chemical reactions. These signs indicate that a chemical reaction is taking place. Rate of reaction. How fast does a chemical reaction occur? The rate of reaction is the speed at which reactants are converted to products. It can be influenced by factors such as concentration, particle size, temperature, and catalysts. Collision theory, the foundation of chemical kinetics. The collision theory is the foundation of chemical kinetics. It states that reactant particles require sufficient kinetic energy to initiate successful collisions that will lead to the formation of products. Factors affecting rate of reaction. How to control chemical reactions. The effect of concentration. Higher concentration of reactants leads to a greater chance of collisions occurring. The effect of particle size. Smaller particles have a larger surface area, increasing the chance of collisions. The effect of temperature. Higher temperature leads to faster moving particles and more collisions. The effect of catalysts. They hasten reactions without themselves being consumed in the reaction. Conclusion. Understanding chemical reactions and factors affecting the rate of reaction is crucial in various fields. By controlling chemical reactions, we can make them more efficient, cost-effective, and safer.